run TikTok ad for you, except the objective is just towards getting more followers, more video views, or more profile visits. And here is why. When people run TikTok ad for you to get more followers, more video views, or more profile visits, usually they are promoting your own account. What is different when it's get lead or get sales objective and they have to use their own account. So in the case that they are running get sales or get lead ad for you using their own account, what people will be seeing is their own account. And that means you are paying them to promote their own account. That is the reality on ground. The only two ways to avoid this is to either let them sign into your own account to run the ad, or for you to learn how to run ad yourself. And I recommend the second option more. Almost every day, people reach out to me from other platforms where I place my videos to help them run ad on TikTok using my own account. And when I decline, they think it's because I have a course on TikTok ad that they have to buy. Well, I won't deny that I have one of the best courses on TikTok ad, which before I launched last year, I'd gone to check out other paid courses on TikTok ad, so you will not be getting anything less. In fact, it's been upgraded to TikTok Ad Mastery Plus. Before it was TikTok Ad Mastery, but we have added so much more, from the basics, setting up your videos and your page. You know, it's quite funny when people think that running a successful ad on TikTok is about having a video and then being able to buy coin to run the ad. But there's much more. You need to optimize your video, your page for it to yield. One of the major issues people face running ad on TikTok is with link clicks. The fact that people click their link and don't get to contact them at the end of the day. But I handled that in this training. Another issue people have is with buying coin. The fact that most find it hard to buy TikTok coin with their card, with their bank card. Well, I've sorted this out to provide you a reliable and affordable option. Now, if you are running ad to make sales, to get sales, it's important you understand there is a way to go about it because people don't want to be sold to. I covered that in this video, in this training. I also showed you how to target by specific interest beyond what TikTok shows you when you want to run ad in this same training. In case you didn't hear me earlier, whatever you find in any top paid TikTok training out there, you'll find more here because I have also gone to purchase those trainings to find what they offer. So I can't give you anything less than the best. And from time to time, I do upgrade. And when I upgrade, you don't have to pay again to access whatever I've added to the course area. There's this amazing one I added not quite long ago. It's about automating your message so that as people DM you on TikTok, they will get automatic reply even when you are not online and they will know what next step to take. By the way, TikTok has become more strict with their ad rules in the recent time, and I'm already updating the course area with videos that will help you navigate this so that you are safe with your ad. With all that said, you want to learn how to run TikTok ads successfully, click on a button around this video or on the link in my bio if you're on TikTok to enjoy my special discount this week.